हाय, वेलकम बॅक. हाव आर यू? एन्जॉयिंग द मुंबई रेन्स? खूप पाऊस पडतोय यावर्षी आणि पण तरी वेदर गेले काही दिवस थोडं बेटर आहे. ऊन आणि पाऊस असं बघायला छान वाटतंय. ऊन दिसतंय मेन म्हणजे. तर आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी. आज मी घेऊन आले आणखी के ड्रामा which I'm really excited to share with you because it's really my favorite, one of my favorite K dramas. I started watching it because of Son Joong Ki, but I'm glad I did. It's not to miss K drama, and even if you're not fan of Korean language and Korean dramas, you should. I think if you watch it, you will all like it. It's that kind of K drama. The K drama I'm talking about is Vincenzo, and it it is it has like a mixed vibe of Godfather. Then I felt also his character is a lot like something like a mixture of James Bond, then Neil Caffrey from White Collar. It's a mixture of all these characters, and it's really fun to watch. um, सो स्टोरी अशी खूप एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरीली डिफरंट नाही आहे. It's story like he's a mafia consigliere, and he's Korean, living in Italy. So because I have this soft corner and special connection with Italian and Italy, so फर्स्ट एपिसोड मध्ये थोडं इटालियन लँग्वेज मध्ये पण they have shown it like it starts from Italy, and then he comes back to Korea for some reason, and then he ends up being part of this good deed, and he ends up meeting these few nobodies around him, and then they start this new uh, uh, what you call basically a चळवळ to fight with this evil corporation. He has ulterior motive in that as well, but still he ends up helping all of them, because it's like a by it's going to be a byproduct, like what he wants to do. So and then they all, like, there are all these goofballs who start helping each other, and then they start forming this relationships which are cute, like family like relationships, and this warmth, and they become a team, and then they rise above, and then they win. So it's all that journey is really fun to watch. It's actually a very serious topic, that they are fighting against this evil corporation. It's very political, but they have somehow managed to like make it so much fun. You know, काही सिरीज असतात ज्या तुम्हाला अशा नुसतं लाईक हसवतात, म्हणजे स्माइल, देर इज अ स्माइल ऑन युअर फेस, आणि काही सिरीज असतात ज्या तुम्हाला खूप हसवतात. इट इज वन ऑफ द सिरीज विच ऍक्च्युअली मेक्स यू लाफ, लाईक लाफ फ्रॉम रिअली फ्रॉम युअर कोर. म्हणजे असं खूप जोरजोरात हसले, असं मला हसले की नाही मला आठवत नाही, बट आतून हसले, असं मनापासून असं आय हॅव laughed on some parts, and then it's very smartly written also. There are so they go through different hurdles, and they pass one after each other, one after other, and the problems occur and the solutions they find out on that. uh, they do it very in a very स्मार्ट वे. ते बघायला पण खूप छान वाटतं, आणि लाईक इट टेक्स यू विथ अ सरप्राईज. अरे ओ नो, हे झालं, ओ वाव, नाईस नाईस थिंकिंग, असं असं वाटतं. आणि कुठेही असे उगाचे सॅक्रिफायसेस नाही आहेत. सो बेसिकली, आणि ही पहिली सिरीज होती आतापर्यंत मी जे बघितल्यात त्यातली, ज्याच्यात रोमांस लाईक इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. लाईक it's there somewhere, peeking a little bit here and there, but it's not at all the main part of the storyline, and still it got me hooked, and I loved watching every bit of it. Nothing about this that I did not like. All the characters have done their part so well, and the lead actress, she is so good. And she's a lawyer, so who's actually the reason he starts being like he starts helping her, and that's why he gets into this server that I was talking about. And she's also like she's also just like he's a mafia consigliere, so he's definitely a bad person, like he has this bad side to it. And she's also like that. For money, she could she's a lawyer for who can do anything for money. And and she is not ashamed of it to start with. But then, because of her father, she ends up getting into this good this good movement. आणि मग सो ह्या बाबतीत त्या दोघांचं मॅच होतं, लाईक वेवलेंथ, त्यांचं थिंकिंग सगळंच मॅच होतं. आणि देन दे end up fighting together. And yeah, so there is this romantic angle that comes later, but it's very simple. It's not very grand romantic, it's very simple. So ते सुद्धा क्यूट आहे. आणि देन कुठली सिरीज, कुठलाही हिरो इज व्हेरी इफेक्टिव्ह वेन द विलन इज इफेक्टिव्ह. सो द विलन ऑफ द सिरीज इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी नाईसली पोर्ट्रेड. It's like he likes to play these games with Vincenzo, and he's crazy. He's totally crazy. He's very crazy, like Joker somehow. Like I could see a part of Joker in him. He's that level of crazy. आणि सो खूप सिरियसनेस आहे ऍक्च्युली सिरीज मध्ये, पण त्यांनी तो समहाव इतका लाईट केलाय ना की तो सिरियस वाटत नाही. आय विश रिअल लाईफ मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम्स पण आपण इतक्या लाईटली रिझॉल्व्ह करू शकलो असतो. आणि ऑफकोर्स विंचेन्झोचं कॅरेक्टर इज सो इफेक्टिव्ह. लाईक ही ऑलवेज विन्स अँड ही इज इफेक्टिव्ह इन वॉट एव्हर ही डज. आणि सो इट गिव्स यू अ व्हेरी डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ कम्फर्ट, दॅट यू नो की काहीतरी छानच होणार आहे, काहीतरी चांगलंच होणार आहे. यू नो की काही असं एकदम वेगळं काहीतरी भयानक नाही होणार आहे. सो यू आर नॉट ऑन द सो यू कम्फर्टेबली वॉच इट. इवन दो खूप साऱ्या सिरियस डिफिकल्ट गोष्टी होत आहेत, यू कम्फर्टेबली वॉच इट. दॅट आय रिअली लाईक्ड. And there is this other villain also. She's also very good. She has portrayed this very strong lady, evil lady, to start with. And then she has and then she turns out to become a pitiful one towards the end. ते पण तिने somehow I like her. She's pretty also, I feel. And the other character, yeah, and this other actor that we have, Kwak Dong Gyeon Shi. I'm not sure if I'm taking his name correct. Sorry if it's wrong, but he is playing this brother of the villain. And he was also there in Queen of Tears. I told you this second lead of the second couple, like second lead couple madla jo male actor hota. And here also he has played this funny, like dumb character, but still he plays his dumb character, but somehow he plays every emotion so well that you get invested in him. So मला त्याची acting खूपच आवडते. And you end up like having soft corner for his character. Whichever series I have watched him, and whichever roles he plays like that. And he has a thing, I don't know. So त्याने त्याचं कॅरेक्टर पण खूप छान आहे, आणि त्याच्या आणि विंचेन्झोची स्टोरी पण खूप छान आहे. यू विल लाईक इट, आय बिलीव्ह. सो अशा खूप छान गोष्टी आहेत. आय नो इट्स वन ऑफ द आय थिंक इट्स द फर्स्ट के ड्रामा त्याच्याबद्दल मी म्युझिकबद्दल काहीच बोलले नाही, बिकॉज बॅकग्राऊंड म्युझिक इज गुड, बट आय डोंट नो, म्हणजे त्याच्याकडे माझं लक्षच गेलं नाही. द होल series itself, the dialogues, the story, everything is so good. And the acting, the lead actress jai main bol rahi, she is so amazing. Like she is behaving goofy all the time, but still she comes out like the coolest lady you can ever come across. So she has done it so well. I mean, खूपच मस्त मला ती तर खूपच आवडली. तिचं कॅरेक्टर मला खूपच आवडलं या सिरीज मधलं. आणि overall, so everything is great. The story, the characters, the relationships, then the twists and the the suspense, the villain, the hero, and also politics. It's very relatable. मला असं म्हणजे ते बघताना जाणवलं की असं खूप वेगळं नाहीये. इट्स व्हेरी रिलेटेबल इंडियन सिरीजची मला वाटतं, तुम्ही जर बघायला घेतलं तर. So even if, again I'm saying, even if you don't like K dramas, you should watch Vincenzo at least once. And there is a talk about Vincenzo 2, and I'm really hoping it to happen. I would really love to watch Vincenzo 2. सो एकदा तरी विंचेन्झो बघा. आय नो मी आधी तुम्हाला एवढ्यांदा बोलले नसेल, पण ही सिरीज खरंच तुम्ही बघा. इट लाईक इफ यू डोंट वॉच इट, यू विल मिस आउट ऑन सम गुड फन and some good content. So watch Vincenzo. Let me know how you liked it. आणि तोपर्यंत मी तुमच्यासोबत नवीन के ड्रामा शेअर करायला घेऊन येते. See you. Bye.